Help your kids join the robotic revolution with Geek Club robots. Easy to build. All you need are a few simple tools, and we supply the rest. No engineering background required, just common sense and the desire to have fun and learn at the same time. Educational. Build these robots and you'll learn the basics of electrical engineering, soldering, and how LEDs and resistors work. Fun to play with. Watch the robots navigate the landscape in search of the light. Edgy, sleek design. These robots have a look that's the ultimate eye candy. DIY electronic 3D puzzle kits are fun for the whole family. Kids and adults will get hours of enjoyment from these high-tech robots, plus a sense of accomplishment from building them. They're the Legos of the future. Click here to find out more and start your family's robotic adventure today.